Isn't it weird how when it thunders and lightnings, that it's the lightning that can hurt us and the thunder not so much? But what we fear is the thunder because of the loud booms, and not the lightning because it's light. So weird. Don't be afraid of thunder, be afraid of lightning.